And to specifically name Bharti ma'am, sir, she is my mother's favorite, sir. Her teaching
Okay.
method, my mother is a fan of her teaching, sir.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू जीडीसी क्लासेस सॉल्यूशंस। जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, नाइपर के रिजल्ट्स के साथ यहाँ पे जो भी जिडिशियंस हैं, एक बार फिर से इस जिडिशियंस की लेगेसी को मेंटेन करके रखे हुए हैं। आज हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं हर्षित रेड्डी, हु हैव अचीव्ड ऑल इंडिया रैंक 93 इन MS Form JEE 2025 of the NIPER examinations. So, Harshit, first of all, congratulations for your grand successful result. Now, I need to know how this journey started since you are a 1 year prime student. How was your journey started and how you got to know about the GPAT discussion center?
So thank you, sir, firstly on the congratulations. And sir, basically my GPAT journey started from the day of my BPharmacy, sir. Before joining BPharmacy, my father told me that there is an exam named GPAT and NIPER. So if you can clear it, it leads to a pathway of a new laid path of a journey, sir.
Okay.
So I started preparing from my first year on the first day and used to read for 1 hour daily, sir. And
Okay.
in my third year, in seventh semester, I discovered I started trying any YouTube coaching sections so that I could find any guidance in form of YouTube, sir. And
Okay.
that is when I discovered GPAT Discussion Center, sir. And after that, it has been smooth sailing for me, sir, till today.
Okay. And thus you decided like, yes, I have to join this GDC coaching and
Yes, sir.
continue the preparation of our the like this GPAT and NIPER journey.
Yes,
And
sir.
okay, so Harshit, you joined 1 year prime course.
Yes, sir.
How was your interactions with the teachers? So what do you like about each teacher?
Sir, to say frankly, sir, I have said this many times to my parents. I said, I'm not saying this just because you are here. I used to say, I used to have an organic chemistry teacher, sir, named XYZ, some. I'm not going to say his name here.
Okay.
Uh, I used to like him very much, sir. But after joining GDC, I used to say to my parents, sir, Akhilesh sir is the best organic teacher I have ever met in my life, sir. True, sir,
Okay.
for rank.
Okay.
Also, Abhishek sir, Piyush sir, Srikant sir, each and everyone, sir. And to specifically name Bharti ma'am, sir, she is my mother's favorite, sir. Her teaching
Okay.
method, my mother is a fan of her teaching, sir.
Okay.
And my journey has been super, sir, so far with the GDC.
And thus you started this and now finished with this kind of result. So yes, it's a proud moment for us and it's a proud moment for you also. Like yes,
Yes, sir.
the dream that we have thought of like before 1 year, now
Yes,
it's
sir.
been completed, and with this rank it satisfies a lot to you, as I can assure you, like yes, you are now most excited person for this result. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, Harshit, so like 1 year journey,
yes, sir.
in this 1 year journey there may be many times you have seen like yes, sometimes up, sometimes downs.
Yes,
What
sir.
are your things like how you manage your down times?
Sir, fortunately, I never felt any stress, sir. My father arranged that kind of environment for me. He said I'd never take any kind of stress. So I was practically enjoying my journey, sir. I used to study for fun and read many books, sir, in the meantime. So it was always fun for me, sir. Never a kind of downtime.
All right, so Harshit, what do you think from your point of
Yes,
view,
sir.
how much importance should be given for the MCQ and test series practices for these kind
So,
of examinations?
sir, MCQ is mainly the heart and soul of preparation, sir. So basically, if you learn a subject and if you try to attempt MCQs, and if you encounter any kind of errors, the skeleton of MCQ is such that after you make any mistake and you rectify it, it etches in your memory, sir. So basically, you can remember it for long periods of time, and your brain can retain it. So I would say MCQs and test series are very much important, sir.
Okay. What was the most feared subject during your preparation?
So I used to fear a lot about cognizy, sir, pharmacognosy.
Okay.
But in the end, Bhokal series helped me to overcome my fears, sir. I
Okay.
never missed even one question of Bhokal, sir.
All right. So 100 hours
Yes,
non-stop
sir.
classes, and I must say, like yes, this was a kind of challenge for us as well.
Yes,
Like how we are going to complete it, but with your all support, the all support of the judicians, the students, like they have like present there throughout the journey of the Bhokal series, and that's how we celebrate it. Like, yes, we have did something good for the students. Harshit, what do you think now? Like, what is the biggest challenge that students faces during the preparation of like these kind of examinations?
The biggest challenge anybody could face in this journey is consistency, sir. Because somebody will say, okay, I'll prepare for GPAT from today onwards, and after 2 days, 3 days, 7 days, they'll lose that kind of zeal and enthusiasm, sir. So there's kind of slack off. So I would say consistency is a major problem in anyone who prepares for GPAT, sir.
Okay. Harshit, how much revisions important for the grabbing the concepts? How much do you think like revisions are important for this kind of preparations?
Revision is a must for preparation, sir. Like daily on average, there are 3 classes being conducted, sir. I used to around September, October, approx after completion of 500 classes.
Okay.
What I did was I went through all of them again, sir, while ongoing the classes.
Okay.
So at the time of revision, it was my third revision, sir. So it became more efficiently streamlined for me.
Okay. Harshit, since you joined our online classes,
Yes, sir.
online coaching platform, what were your thoughts during the initial joining of the like institute, and how you have seen like, is there any change that you have seen, like what were your perspective or your point of view about the online teachings, and how you have got all those things?
Sir, due to COVID and lockdown, we have experienced a lot of online coaching institutes, sir. But to be frank, the bond I felt with GDC, to quote this, before joining GDC, I never felt that I could develop such a bond with someone who is teaching from beyond the screen, sir. But the way I connected with this platform is overwhelming, sir.
Okay.
Totally.
And now, since online institute, was your syllabus completed on time? Was your revisions like the revisions also given to you, like all the subjects, all the minor or major, all
Yes,
the
sir.
revisions? Are you have seen like, yes, all everything completed?
Yes, sir. I have completed each and everything, sir. So what happened was during my semester time, I was preparing through reference textbooks, sir. So
Okay.
what happened was when I came to prepare for GPAT, all of this already felt like I was doing a revision for, sir.
Okay.
So at the time of preparation, the pacing of revisions, account the phases like by January and February, there was a lot of difference in the pacing of teaching, sir. So I would say it was superb, sir.
It was super. All right. So Harshit, now what's your thoughts? Like, where Harshit is going to be joining which sniper, and what course? Have you decided anything is like this time?
So my heart is leaning towards Mohali, sir, but distance-wise, Hyderabad is the nearest. But most probably I will going for Mohali, sir. I have not yet decided between the brands, sir. I'm still confused between MBA or colleges, sir.
Okay, not at all. We will be going to help you in this also.
Yes, sir.
Very soon you will be going to have some sessions with the JDC Online alumni who are already there in the Nipur. So you can decide like what branch, which branch you are going to have. Harshit, now what do you going to say about the juniors? What are your thoughts about these kind of examinations? Why he or she should give this kind of examinations?
Sir, to be fair, pharmacy is a just normal course in India hasn't garnered that much importance, sir. So, in order to develop and grow in these kind of fields, you need a set laid path, sir. So, cracking GPAT is the first predominant step in this journey, sir. And if you are able to get into NIPER, you have fixed path laid in front of you, which you can use to climb many stairs in the profession, sir. Which is why I would say GPAT and NIPER are very much important, sir.
Okay. Like GPAT and NIPER, two
Yes, sir.
examinations you are going to have preparing for since from the beginning. Is there any major changes between these two kind of examinations, or you are having the same preparation strategy for both the examinations?
Sir, my strength lies in non-pharma, sir, to be fair. So what my parents said was non-pharma part you can do blindfolded. So try to focus on pharma itself. Like do another revision before, after GPAT and before NIPER, complete another revision, which will help you. And I follow the same strategy, sir. Only thing difference is the time pacing, which I was able to manage due to mock tests.
Okay. And I hope in the GPAT as well, you are going to have this kind of result, or the
Thank you,
better
sir.
result we are going to see in the GPAT examination of Harshit Reddy, where again we are going to do a single digit rank All right. So thank you so much, Harshit, for joining with us, for connecting with
Thank
us,
you, sir.
and sharing your thoughts about this kind of examination. Soon we are going to meet with the JDC felicitation program,
Yes, sir.
where we are going to meet physically and celebrate your victory, like celebrate this result as well. Thank you so much, Harshit, and
Thank
from
you,
the
sir.
whole JDC family, we wish you all the very best for your
Thank you, sir.
brighter future. Thank you,
Thank
Harshit.
you. Thank you for this opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir.